Hi guys, it's me here. I'm just gonna try to, or what I'm doing today is testing different farm sites and seeing what they give in terms of resources and food and iron and stuff. So I've just been to 6-8, which is supposed to be a good place, and now I am going to, yeah, you guessed it, 8-7. Um, I'm going to try to farm, so I have a rainbow team that's set up. Nothing special about this. It is my test team. Since I'm only a beginner at this, I do have my preferred team in my phone, which is a little bit higher level than this, but still, I'm just a beginner. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting up a new level, or I'm setting up a new game, and I'm pushing the auto button or the speed up button so that the game moves automatically. It's not doing the best of moves when you're doing this. It just does everything it can. So the strongest hero will be set off first, and so on. If it gets any diamonds, it will take those as well. But what I'm doing here is just auto farming, so that I can make up the math on which sites are better for beginners to get their stuff, what you get, and what kind of resources you spend. This is the kind of advice and the kind of stuff that you will learn on the channel, so stay tuned, guys.